Hello there. Today, we'll be talking about a topic that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, Web 3.0. But before we dive into what Web 3.0 is, let's take a quick look at the history of the Internet. You see, the Internet has gone through several phases of development over the years. The first version of the Internet, which we now refer to as Web 1.0, was basically a static collection of web pages that users could view but couldn't interact with. It was all about information consumption rather than information sharing. Web 2.0, on the other hand, brought about a more interactive web experience. This version of the Internet enabled users to not only consume information but also contribute and share information with others. Social media platforms, blogs, and online marketplaces are examples of the many Web 2.0 services that we use today. And now, we have Web 3.0, the next stage in the evolution of the Internet. Web 3.0 is all about decentralization, interoperability, and transparency. It's a web where individuals and organizations have greater control over their data and can interact with each other in a peer-to-peer manner without intermediaries. So, what does this all mean in simpler terms? Well, in Web 3.0, users have more control over their personal data, and companies can't just collect and sell user data without permission. Instead, users can choose to share their data with specific applications and services in a more secure and private way. Another key aspect of Web 3.0 is interoperability. This means that different applications and services can communicate and interact with each other seamlessly. For example, you could use a decentralized messaging app that is interoperable with a decentralized social media platform, making it easier to share information and connect with others across different services. Now, let's talk about how cryptocurrencies and decentralization are changing how we interact with the web. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, are digital currencies that use blockchain technology to record and verify transactions. They enable secure and transparent peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. Decentralization, on the other hand, refers to the idea of removing centralized control from a system. In Web 3.0, decentralization is achieved through the use of blockchain technology, which is a decentralized ledger that can be used to record and verify transactions in a secure and transparent way. Together, cryptocurrencies and decentralization are changing how we interact with the web by enabling us to transact in a more secure and transparent way without the need for intermediaries. They are also enabling new types of decentralized applications, such as decentralized marketplaces and social networks, that are not controlled by any single entity. Let's take a look at some examples of how cryptocurrencies and decentralization are already changing how we interact with the web. One example is the Brave browser, which uses its own cryptocurrency, the Basic Attention Token, BAT, to reward users for viewing ads. Another example is the decentralized social media platform, Mastodon, which is a federated platform that allows users to interact with each other across different servers. In conclusion, Web 3.0 is all about decentralization, interoperability, and transparency. It's a web where users have more control over their data, and companies can't just collect and sell user data without permission. Cryptocurrencies and decentralization are playing a key role in this evolution by enabling secure and transparent peer-to-peer transactions and new types of decentralized applications. Like, share and subscribe.